Hi guys, welcome to Learning TWI the Fun Way with Twi-juniorPro. My name is Kwesi, and before we start today's lesson, I just wanted to mention two things. First of all, thank you so much. I finally reached 200 subscribers. I know to some it's not a lot, to me it's a huge achievement, right? I would also appreciate it if you kept on spreading the word so that we get more subscribers. And remember to get the Twi-juniorPro app. With that and this, you learn the language quicker. That's the first thing. So the second thing that I wanted to mention were the comments. I already said that I'll only do the comment section on Wednesdays, right? So far I've received, I think, 4 comments that needed me to translate. I've literally translated the words in Twi, but I'll pronounce them on Wednesday. So if anyone still wants me to do something, right, they can send it through. Then Wednesday I'll do it. I'll do all of it as one single feature. Now, with that out of the way, right, today's lesson is very interesting. So what happened is I was fortunate enough to be on a TV show called Mukase Int'l, hosted by a lady called Moon Cyriacus. Moon, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. So what she does is she goes around the world, right, and she finds Ghanaians that can cook and host them on her show, right? So I was part of it, and I hosted, and it aired, I think I think in Ghana it aired 2 weeks ago, starting from today, right? Then I got the link, so I thought, you know what, let me share it with you guys to see how it was. So what I need you guys to do, if possible, is to watch the whole video, right? Now, there were a lot of Twi words that were spoken, so I need you guys to find out if you can actually hear what's being said, the Twi words that was being said, so you can make sense of it. So if you can make sense of it, great. If you can't, just write down the parts that you feel as if you don't understand and dump them in the comment section, and what I'll do is I'll translate those as well. So with that, enjoy the video. I thought I would share it with you guys. You know, tell me what you need help translating, then I'll do that. And please, her YouTube channel is on the description section of this video. Please go there, click on the link, go watch her videos. If you enjoy them, subscribe, like it, so that you also get more views, right? With that out of the way, let's watch the video, and thanks again. Bye.
So, of the 56 million people in the Republic of South Africa, about 60,000 are industrious Ghanaians making Mother Ghana proud, one of whom is my guest on Mukase International today. So I'm in Moreletta Park. This is in Pretoria, in South Africa. Kwesi Ampofo is our guest on the show today. Kwesi, I see a beautiful lady there in a very beautiful skirt. Can you come, please? Because I know immediately that's your wife. Yes, and then, yes, these two gentlemen, they must be your friends.
Yes, they are.
Ah, hello guys.
Hello.
Hi. Well, thanks for having me.
Welcome.
Thank you. So you know he's cooking on the show today? Any idea what he's cooking? Do you know what he's cooking? You know what he's making?
Some ideas.
So then let's go so that Kwesi can show me his cooking skills.
All right, cool.
All right.
Okay,
so we'll see you in the kitchen. All right, so we're in the kitchen now. Kwesi, you're in a hurry.
Yeah.
Chefs don't waste time in the kitchen.
No.
Okay, so let's just see what you have here.
All right.
And then you can tell us what you're making.
All right, cool. Onions,
Yes.
corned beef,
Corned beef, okay.
yam,
Hey, what yam is where by your being put on
this is black-eyed beans.
Okay.
This is star anise.
I love star anise.
This is chili.
Some chili. Hey, you have chili here in South
Yeah,
Africa.
there are different kinds. That is tomatoes.
Okay.
Fresh ginger.
Love it.
This is actually ginger and garlic paste.
Nice.
Olive oil, and some vegetable stock.
Okay.
Yeah.
Good. It's not just a day I can say
Me not buy anybody.
Body will chroma say, Mechi, I have Mechia. And so tell me, I mean, who's I say, they use unripe bananas, you know, just so they get that taste of plantains. Where did you find your plantains? They look skinny though.
No, the thing is, there's a shop next to us. It's a spa that actually sells. That's why I bought the.
So this is plantain and yet unripe bananas.
No, it's not.
This is okay.
Yes.
Because you see, plantains are not farmed here in South Africa. I gather most of it they're imported from Mozambique and of course from Ghana.
Yeah.
So they get very seasonal. You know, every now and then, you know, the stores run out of plantains. And so you've seen in other episodes that most people would use unripe bananas in place of plantains.
Yeah.
Ain't no fry no what the day never.
And I'm will say,
Okay, and then no.
Oxtail.
Oxtail.
Yes,
I love oxtail. Is it expensive here too? Oxtail is expensive everywhere.
Funny enough, it's not expensive in Mpumalanga because we get...
In where?
In Mpumalanga.
In Mpumalanga.
Yeah, so
what's that?
It's another province. So I'm from that province. This is Gauteng. Then within Mpumalanga, I'm from Tulamahashi. So it's like a little district there. So that's where my parents are.
I like it.
So over there, oxtail is actually cheap. Because the cows are roaming around. So it's cheaper that way. But when you come to the city, it gets more expensive.
Otherwise, oxtail is really expensive.
Yeah, it is.
Okay.
All right, cool. So I'm going to boil the oxtail here.
Okay.
Then also boil the beans over here.
Nice.
Okay, I've pre-washed this.
Okay. And see, yeah, oxtail fry.
Yeah.
Okay, but I see there's some corned beef too. That's going in the oxtail. Ooh.
So when that's done and I'm frying, I'll add a corned beef as well to make the stew.
Nice.
Yeah.
Nice.
You just do that and let it cook.
Okay.
Yes, let me just let that cook.
Okay.
And put the beans over here.
Okay.
And then cover them both.
Okay.
That's actually that one.
Okay.
That one.
So wait, how Ghanaian are you? Because you're talking about coming from Mpumalanga and you know all that. How Ghanaian are you?
You know what? You know, not okay 100% because both my parents are Ghanaians.
Oh, 100%.
Yeah, 100%, yeah. But
how did you end up here?
My father was a teacher he schooled in London, then he moved back in Ghana. Then after that, he went to Lesotho, which is a neighboring country to South Africa.
Yes.
Then when that happened, my mother followed. Then I was the last born. So I followed as well. Then we ended up, he ended up getting a job in South Africa. Then we all followed again. And I think I was 9 by then.
Oh, so do you remember what life was like in Ghana?
A bit, because before that, I think consistently or continually, I stayed in Ghana for 1 year.
Oh.
Like 1 full year.
Okay. So in Ghana, move for him from?
Year 3, if I don't fit, I was Asante Achem.
Asante Achem.
Yeah.
Okay. Wako Chrome. Yeah. Oh, you've been there?
Yeah, I've been there. Because my brothers and sisters are there.
Oh,
so
I see.
We had, all in all, 3 boys and 1 boy, one girl.
Girl, okay.
Yeah. So usually go visit.
Okay. I know why you just say Ugusu teach you because the street is clean.
Yeah. Well, I can't say it's clean.
No, it sounds clean to me. So far, what can you clean?
Sir,
I assure you.
I think I should give
cleaner than mine.
Really?
Yes.
I should give thanks to my parents because when I was growing up, the rule was once you enter the house, if there was no friend next to you, you should speak Twi. Either that or you get a slap. So I learned the language.
Ah, boy. Yeah. All right, okay. For the first time in a few days at Maba, South Africa, I've seen actual plantain. Most people who have prepared meals that should be eaten with plantains have used unripe bananas instead. So it's good to know, says someone found us some plantains.
Yeah.
But have you tried that combo before?
Yeah,
Raw jam and then the unripe bananas?
No, I've never eaten unripe bananas before. I've never.
Ew.
So no, I've never ever tried it. It's usually yam, plantain, or when I'm at home, we do a bit of banku or a mutuo.
Yes. Wait. So who taught you how to cook?
My mom.
Your mom?
My mom, but my dad loves cooking. So even when we go home now, my dad is the one who cooks mostly because he loves his fufu. So. And I'm now tired of it because when I was growing up, fufu was literally supper for us. So he taught me how, seeing him cook actually made it easy for me to cook in the kitchen. Yeah.
This is good to know.
Yeah.
So, see, one of the reasons I'm here is because I read about you. And, you know, in my intro, I talked about some industrious Ghanaians living in South Africa. And I'm just honored to have met you. Yes. Because I read about you. I read about a couple of apps that you had actually developed all by yourself. What do you do? I'm
a software developer at one of the leading banks in South Africa. So I think a few years back, it was, I think, my friends will correct me, probably 5 years ago. Then I went home. Then my cousin came in, and they spoke English. So now his father was a bit angry that why can't you be like Kwesi because he knows Twi? Because what happens is they tease them and I'll be laughing because I understand what's being said. Then I was like, why not create an app to help well, it's called Twi Junior. It was meant for
Twi Junior.
Yeah, it was meant for little children to
Just
teach them
start up
basics,
Twi.
to learn just a few phrases.
Yeah.
So it went on and it became something big.
Yeah.
Where as I'm seated right now, we have for Twi Junior alone, I have over 38,000 installs, and it's free. But the problem is it has adverts. That's the thing, because that's how I make money. Of course. So if you click on it, I get like one.
Wait, I need to see how this works. Is your phone here?
Oh,
Natty has your phone?
Yes, please.
Of course. Natty, could you please bring us the phone? See? His wife has his phone. No fears. No fears whatsoever. Let's see how this works.
All right, cool. Thank you.
No, wait, stay. Let me see if you can say some tree.
So basically, there's a Twi Junior.
Yay, I like that. Cat. Okra.
Yeah. So it.
You know what that?
Yes.
Well, I'm gonna quiz you. Wait. I'm gonna quiz you. Dog. Okra mine.
Oh.
That's okra mine. Okay.
Yeah.
Which one do you know? Okra mine. See the accent. But I didn't know this.
Yeah. So
I didn't know monkey is then kwekwo. I didn't know this. Like I didn't know this. Yeah. Okay. Fish apata. And I said fish. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Different.
Okay.
But that was the one I was told to use. It's more common.
Yeah.
So I use that one. Yes.
I'm loving this. Sheep or dry fly, once and a frog, a opportunity, cockroach, tefre.
So
Deer, or once I didn't know deer.
yes.
Or once even I should upload this. Wait,
Yes.
yeah, lizard, cotre. Wait, we're gonna have to study together because the things I don't know here too. Thank you. Oh yes, Annie, I like that. Thank you, Nati. Thank you. Listen, I'm proud of you.
So
This is good.
yeah, it's a lot of work.
Congrats.
It's a lot of work.
This is good. So my guest is Kwesi. We'll
All
be
right.
back.
Okay, cool.
Mukase International from Morletta Park in Pretoria in the Republic of South Africa. Kwesi Ampofo is a guest on the show today. Naina Kwesi and Bemakatechie, a whole app developer, just say. I mean, we're proud of him. Mother Ghana is proud of him. So remember, we met Kwesi's friends and then his wife. I see them there. Hi, Nati. You're learning some tree, aren't you? Hi, Reggie. Hi, Charles. They're hungry. They must be hungry. You kept them waiting. Okay, so let's get this over and done with.
All right, cool.
All right, so you better start it for you know.
Yeah.
Okay.
You ever start?
All right.
In Soijana first.
All right.
Okay, cool. Okay, a bit of palm
So,
oil.
okay.
I mean, well, olive oil.
This is your olive oil.
Yeah.
Okay.
In fact,
Also heart healthy.
yeah,
Yes.
just a bit. Just a bit.
Okay. So you see, not too much oil there.
Not too much oil there. Then I put
And
my
then your
onions.
onions. Okay.
Okay, I like it.
Yes, me too. I love onions. First of all, they're flavorful, and then you see they have this sweet aftertaste.
Yeah, they do.
Like yes,
They do.
yes,
Hence
and then
I
they're
love
good for
onions.
your eyes.
Everything.
Onions are good.
And put just a
a
bit
little more.
because soaks
Okay,
in.
so we can saute it well.
Yeah.
Yes.
That's good.
Yes,
While
yes, yes.
While that's happening, I'm just cutting up some chili.
Ooh, you are a brave man.
Yeah.
You are cutting this with your bare hands.
My bare hands. I just need to
Wow.
make sure I wash it properly.
Eee.
That's about
Make
it.
sure a pan or then
I learned that from my dad, so
Ooh.
yeah, no. Let's just cut these.
I just hope you don't cut your finger.
You know, I've done it so many times, right? But now I've mastered it, so I'm good.
So let's talk about this passion, this love for cooking.
Yes.
Where is it taking you? Do you see yourself doing something professional anytime soon?
I think I might be drifting off in that direction. There's a restaurant concept that I have. Okay, now I put the chili.
Okay, chili in there.
That.
Okay.
Okay, then I put some ginger,
Okay.
just from the start.
Okay.
Then I put some, what do you call star
Oh,
anise.
yes, the star anise.
But I
This
just need-
this is a must-have.
Yeah, I just need just 4
Okay.
proper ones.
This is a
Okay, maybe
must-have.
just 5, just
Yeah.
for flavor.
Yes, please.
Then
By
I'll
all
come
means.
back to the rest. So
You're drifting, huh?
yeah, cooking, right?
Yeah.
The thing is, I've started a restaurant called Asantia Chin.
Oh, you have?
Yeah.
Well, call me when you're opening the restaurant.
Thank
I
you.
want to cover it
No, thank
on
you so
Mukase
much.
International.
Thank you.
And that's happening. I know it's happening.
You know, if one would have told me that I'll open a restaurant one day, I would say they were lying.
See?
But here I am now.
Yeah.
So yeah.
And this passion is tugging at your heart. There's no way you can say no to it.
No.
And that's the one you should follow.
That's the thing.
That's the one you should follow.
It scares me, but I guess cooking.
But yeah, if
relaxes
you're not
me,
scared
so.
enough to do it, don't do it.
Okay, that's true.
Yeah, yeah.
That's true. Fair enough.
Nice, nice.
Fair enough.
So how about family? I've met Natty. Where did you meet? Natty is South African, by the way.
Yes.
And see, I love her nose. Pretty.
Her nose.
So you met Natty here?
Yeah. Basically, when I landed in SA, I was 9 years old. And I went to a primary school, I think standard 5.
Wait.
Yeah, now is grade 7. I'm not sure how the system now works. Then we're friends then.
No,
Yeah,
no way.
We're friends since then. Then we went to high school together. Then varsity, we parted ways. Then we came back, and now we're married.
Oh,
So
that's such a
I've
sweet
known her
story.
for
So she's not just like your high school sweetheart, she's your primary school sweetheart.
Yeah.
Oh, I love. That's
Yeah,
beautiful.
so, yeah.
I bet she loves your cooking.
She says she loves everything I make. So I believe her.
Have you taught her a thing or two?
Yeah, she can.
Yeah.
She can actually do fufu stew.
Oh.
Yeah, she can. And what else can she do?
Oh, to me, you fufu then I
Oh,
said.
to me, fufu.
Yeah.
And your friend said banku, so to me,
Oh, she loves those.
yeah,
Apebenku.
a lot.
And the day, make one answer day.
Meko di on time.
It's not about the as a moon, yeah. Right. It's on the benku no debate day.
Banku, any your friends in Kumabom.
No kidding.
No.
In Kumapa. Wow, I should see that someday.
Yeah, I do a partner. And I said, your friends say, a mutual name and
Ekatenkwan. Hey, that's
I
good
do
too.
it.
Rice balls, yeah, the peanut butter soup. That's nice.
No, she'll be fine. She'll be fine. She'll be very, very
That's
fine.
nice.
Yeah.
Okay, so onion sauteed
Yeah.
nicely. Remember, we have our yam and plantain also on fire.
Yeah.
And we'll put the enche nabe.
There you
Remember, when we came, by the time we came, Kwesi had actually put that on fast. So I know the enche. And I upstill so it was just nicely. All right, so I see that what they asked 14 tomatoes and I said tomato puree and for anyone. Okay, so everything is fresh.
Everything is
I like
fresh.
that. Interesting. So enche will just so
David.
because you don't want to overcook it and kill the nutrients.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
So let this run for a bit.
Yeah.
Just wanted to saute a bit more.
Yeah.
Then I'll add the oxtail.
Okay. All right, so you're watching Mukase International. I'm with Kwesi Ampofo. Kwesi Ampofo is a software engineer, but I said, now say so he already has his restaurant, Asante Achim. You know what? I'm sure said that should be baby branch for Ghana.
Yeah. That's the plan.
Yeah.
That's the plan. So let's pray everything works out.
It is well in Jesus' name.
Amen.
All right, so we can put something else.
Yeah,
Okay.
I can add that.
Okay.
To
Ooh, look at the big chunks of.
I know.
Ooh. Okay, so when this is done, I want this fat
It's
one.
fine.
Yeah.
I was hoping for a tongue, but
you have to mark it. That's fine.
Sorry.
Chefs use their hands all the time.
Cool. Let me just do that.
Yeah.
So it's all nice.
Ooh.
And it's arrogant.
Big chunks of oxtail.
Okay. So that's perfect. Okay, let's hope.
Wow.
Okay, you know what?
They had all better fit in. They had.
I tried, but I think there's 2 left.
Yeah.
Because I don't want to, I want every one of them to get the onion flavor.
Ooh.
Yes.
Look, it just. I could fill up just on the aroma. Like, seriously. I'm practically entering the pan. See, and you know what's doing the trick? There's the star anise, there's ginger, garlic, and of course the onions too.
Yes, the onions.
Ooh.
Just need to turn these a bit so the flavor goes in.
Fantastic.
And the last one is
The last batch of garlic and ginger.
the paste there.
Nice.
Then I'll close it.
I like
for
how
5
you
minutes.
know how to to combine your seasonings, your spices. Because, you know, I always say that the spices that complement each other.
Yeah.
So when here, Bakube overrided the other, you know, but you should be able to know spices that complement each other so you can get a taste and feel of every one of them. And he knows the stuff. It's a good thing I'm not on a diet anymore. Look at that. Okay. And you go so what about Chroma saying no usa? But was it easy for you to blend with a handcraft or no? Do you remember?
I think I remember a bit. I came in when I was 9.
Yes.
And it was a bit of an adjustment because me free Ghana no. It was easier because Ghana and Ghana.
Right.
You know, you hear mother tongue everywhere you go,
yeah.
which is easier.
Yeah.
Then the adjustment was when we went to the suit because they spoke suit. So we're there for like a year and a half. So I learned the language. So the next thing, my dad got a job here and I had to move here. And the first place I landed was Tulamash, which is in Mpumalanga, and they speak Tsonga, which is totally different from...
Tsonga.
Yeah, Tsonga.
Tsonga.
Yeah. Which is totally different from...
In Ghana, Tonga means something else.
Yeah.
You don't want to know.
Yeah.
So how would you say Mukase International is in Pretoria, in Zulu, or whatever you're fluent in?
Tsonga.
Tsonga.
Okay, let me structure this right, and she's laughing.
Mukase International is in Pretoria.
Okay, Mukase International, ile Pretoria.
Yes, there you go. Le Pretoria.
Yeah.
This is just about done. Afena yadin toast nigum.
Then actually, it's in toast no beer. Beans na come.
Beans na come home.
Because beans na fit that bean.
Okay.
That would be easy.
This is one healthy meal. Yeah. And look at the colors. See, at me, I'm all about colors when I'm cooking. Because I should want to make you eat my food. You should look at it and want to say, oh, I will give it a try. Love it. Okay. Love it. Okay, not just like, not with the beans, say, beans and they are beans to that. Okay. So, not say they're good, it's not just like, the entry will just so. Yeah, no. Not just say, yeah, that's it.
Yeah.
Ooh, favorite time coming up in a bit. So we're going to be tasting in a while Reggie, Charles, and of course Natty, Mrs. Ampofo will join us when we come back from this break. Hey, food is ready. How will we say this in Zulu or something, Kwesi? Food is ready.
Food is ready. Okay, Tonga. Okay, Tonga is the one I know.
Okay, Tonga na, yeah, Tonga. How would you say that in Tonga? Food is ready.
Yes.
Just the 3-word sentence, food is ready. Is this long? Say it again. Oh, I won't try.
Food.
Okay. Oh, okay.
Yes.
Okay, lingi is ready.
Lungi is ready.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. How about we just eat and then I do this language lessons later.
Right,
okay. So can I open that? Ooh, look at that.
Yes.
It's a whole sea of oxtail.
Yes, it is.
You know I'm famished. You know I'm traveling all over the place, and so I must fill up. Okay. So guys, let's dig in.
Ooh, try it. All right. Shall in advance, right?
Oxtail first.
Please tell me how this stew tastes.
You know when you're at a table and nobody's talking, that's good enough, right?
Ginger though, is it yam?
It's yam.
Okay, cool.
Oh, I see my food, believe me.
Right.
The ginger flavor is really good.
Oh, cool. Thank you.
Yeah.
And the meat, is it soft enough?
It's so tender.
Okay, cool.
It's so tender.
That's what I was...
Thank you guys. Thank you for having us. Okay, wait. I have something for you.
All right.
I didn't travel light.
Okay.
So I came with a goodie bag from Ghana. You know the name of this bag, right?
No.
Okay, your friend in Ghana must go. It's about Ghana. It's called Ghana Must Go.
Right.
So this is just to say go to Ghana often.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
All right.
Okay.
All right.
So there are some people who asked me to give you some gifts.
Oh, wow.
When I was coming.
Oh, wow.
Yes. And so the very first would be.
Wow.
I know who's gonna wear this.
Oh yeah, definitely.
I know who's gonna use this. So,
wow.
so GTP said to give you this wax print.
Oh wow. Thank you.
Yes.
Oh wow.
And so how about I just give it to Nati because we both know she's gonna use it.
Thank you so much.
Okay, you're welcome. Oh, wow. GTP says to give that to you.
Oh wow.
And then, well, you do know that we have the best chocolate in Ghana.
Yes.
Okay. So Cocoa Processing Company, manufacturers of Golden Tree, said to give you this pretty box of chocolate.
Oh, wow.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
That's not all. That's not all. There's more. So they also make this chocolate spread.
Oh,
and this is all.
Spread.
Yes, chocolate spread. And this is not like the foreign ones that's just full of sugar. This is good cocoa.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So for your toast, bread, biscuits,
Wow.
whatever.
nice.
Like,
Yeah.
I like the patterns here.
See, like kind of matches what you're wearing.
I like it. Oh wow.
Na baby, na free no. I also there's a work of village pay.
Yeah.
Unim Jawa.
Yes.
Deal.
Yes.
Can you explain to Nati what this is?
Basically, we chew on it.
Then
my grandmother used to crack a bit and literally use it as
to clean her teeth.
Yeah.
So it actually has some properties, some teeth cleaning properties in there.
Yeah.
And the more natural, the better. Yes. So yes. So that's your chewing stick. You should teach Nati how to use that.
Perfect.
Yes. Wow. So if you know, I just want you to miss Ghana. So if you know your chewing stick, then you should know the chewing sponge too.
Yeah.
Okay. So this does the same thing too. So you chew. In fact, I can apply toothpaste to this.
Yeah.
It's such a good mouth cleansing thing. Yes. So you add that. Teach her the Ghana so that in Kolane Bar, na watch church or Jawane Sarene Ade. But I have something for you guys too.
Oh, yeah?
I have chocolate for you, so I have dessert for you. Like I said, we have the best chocolate from Ghana. So this is white chocolate with cocoa nips. You're gonna love it.
Awesome.
Yes.
I've never had chocolate from Ghana.
No, you haven't. That means you've never had good chocolate. So now you're gonna have good chocolate. And then for you, Reggie, this is Irish cream flavored combined with white milk chocolate. You're welcome. And then perhaps I should give this to you too, Nati. This is some coffee flavored milk chocolate for you. I love chocolate, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so thank you so much. Thank you.
Thanks.
Kwesi, what's it called Ghana? You're 6 years now, but I'm sure your friends and family that you remember in Ghana, if you're not better on cry, send some felicitations whilst I concentrate on this.
Well, I just want to say hi to everyone back home, those that know me. There are a few that I grew up with that I've lost contact, in touch.
Yeah.
But I think mostly the ones that will remember me are my brothers and sisters and literally my nieces and nephews. I have 3 new nieces and nephews and I guess I need to go see them.
You should.
Yeah, so that's about it from my end.
All right, thank you so much. Thank you, Nati. Thank you for taking such good care of Kwesi. Thank you, Reggie. And thank you, Charles. I was telling him that it's been a while since I actually heard someone say, these are my best friends. Like, I don't hear that term anymore. So it means a lot for a man to say that, you know what I mean? Yeah, that means a lot. So thank you for being such good friends to him. That's it for Mukase International today from Merletta Park in Pretoria in South Africa. Kwesi Yadase. Yamisha. So, I'm all over the place. Sometimes I'm in Pretoria, sometimes I'm in Joburg. You just never know where you see me next week. But maybe see that auntie you've been calling who doesn't take your calls because you've been asking for so many things. She just might be my guest next week. So, bye.
Bye.